So beautiful. Today we're going to be teaching you 4 quick and easy skincare hacks. These hacks will help you optimize your skincare routine and achieve the result you're looking for. Whether you're looking to improve your skin's overall health or just speed up the process, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how to get the best out of your skincare. The first one is key, I assure you. Wash your face for 60 seconds. This technique lets the active ingredients on your cleanser, like the hyaluronic acid on your pamper gel, penetrate your skin. Also, you will gently flex and open those pores so the dirt dislodges. 2. Change your pillowcases every 4 to 5 days. Yes, program that alarm because this one is really important. You probably don't wash your hair every day, right? And you probably use some serums and moisturizers overnight on your face. Well, beautiful. All the dirt of your hair, rest of that creams, lotions, and so on, it stays on your pillowcases and then onto your skin. No! With this trick, you'll see a huge difference on your skin. Quick pause. Please give some love to the like button if you are enjoying this video and subscribe to our channel to become part of the Skincareaholic community. 3. Don't put your face directly down the hot water. Having blasting hot water on your face is pretty damaging to your skin. It's stupid, make your pores look bigger, is a big no. Last but not least, number 4, supplements are your friends. You need to give your body a tons of nutrients and vitamins, but that can be a lot to ensure in a daily basis, right? Let me tell you, I'm not getting my 6 vegetables a day, so I fancy some help. Happy Hair has been really good since it's packed with biotin, folic acid, iodine, niacinamide, vitamins A, B, C, and E. All good stuff that takes care of my hair like no other. And this is all for today, beauty. Do you have any doubts? Leave your shyness aside and ask us in the comments. And we see each other in the next video. Take care. Bye.